Hello everyone and welcome back to Gun Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Macap grinder. For this grinder we just replaced the burrs and deep clean everything inside here. We disassembled the entire thing, disassembled this little piece that you see right here. We also calibrated and yeah, we just replaced the boards. These are the older boards of the grinder, and there were lots of coffee residue all around the entire grinder. We really had to remove a lot of coffee buildup in there, clean it up together, and then grind a bunch of coffee to test the grinder itself. And right here we have different kinds of grinds. We have really fine grinds, we have very coarse grinds as well. So as we were going very coarse into the settings, you can see different kinds of grinds as he was going through there. So yeah, right now it's working the way it's supposed to. It's going pretty good. We still have to calibrate it, but as you can see, this is perfectly fine. We calibrated now later with the machine itself that the customer brought in, because he brought a machine and the grinder. But for the grinder, we just replace the burrs, the ones that you see right here, and that's it. So we also give it a good clean and polish around. So thank you so much for the Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.